Hello, hello. I'm not so sure if we're going to be successful. I think I have some problem with my business page. They won't allow me to actually broadcast live right now. So I'm using my personal account. I'm not so sure if you could see me. All right, I have 2 viewers. I'm not so sure if you can see me. Oh my goodness, why would FB restrict my page? I'm not so sure what's happening right now, but I hope that I could still do the live. You know, I will just share this with the groups and then I'll be right with you. Okay? Donna, I can see you sending the link to Sis Tony. Salamat, Donna. Okay. So, medyo nagkakaroon ng problema ngayon. Ano ba yan? Pero, tuloy pa rin tayo, di ba? Hindi natin alam kung bakit. But, I'm sure there's a reason for that. Okay, I will just share this live. Yeah, Papa, I'm using our, when I actually go, hi, Tony. Tony, pasensya ka na, ha? Ate was, I missed something, kaya I sent you a revised one. Ano yan ba? Ay, okay, marami akong biniling ganito. In order for you, ito yung napaka-soft na tela na I love it. Oo, kaya, so, isinuot ko, kasama ko rin si ano, ayan si ano, oh. Oh, di ba? So, Donna, ikaw ay small or extra small? Pareho kayo ni ano, ni Paris. Sa akin, pangit tingnan, pero pag ang nagsuot ay small at extra small, ang ganda tingnan. Tingnan mo, hindi pa ako nag-share mga viewers. Ayan, di ba ang ganda nitong mga damit na to? Because it could fit from extra small, even extra small, to XL like me. O, di ba? Kasi nga meron silang nilagay doon sa likod in order for you to really stretch the clothes without actually destroying the form, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. Grabe, alam niyo kung magkano lang ito. This one is a very gorgeous fabric po. Walang sinabi yung mga binenta ko dati. I'm sure you're going to actually touch this fabric when you order something from me. This is only selling for $32. $32 for this. But if you get two of the $32, you will just receive this one, 2 for $60. Instead of paying $64, you're going to get it for $60. O, di ba ang saya-saya? Ang hindi ko lang maibenta. Si Ruron dito parang patay. Nakahiga sa akin. Ayokong matapakan. Okay. Ang hindi ko lang maibaba, ang Filipiniana. Medyo may kamahalan po si Filipiniana. So anyway, if you're actually looking on buying, look at this. From extra small to XL like me. Okay. So, actually, hindi na siguro ito XL. XL lang yung top ko. Pero yung sa waistline, okay pa rin, ha? Ayan, ang luwag pa po, oh. Kahit sa double XL, pwede ito. Sa totoo lang po. So, magaganda yung mga yung ating mga ano ngayon, ating mga dresses, premium dresses, okay? So, hindi ako mapapahiya talaga po. Masyado akong magmamalaki because I wear them, I touch them, and I receive a lot of good comments from my friends kapag nasuot ko sila. So, sino ang nandiyan dyan? Hi, Ate Ella. Salamat, Tony. Ate, kumuha ko ng brown dress. Yes, dahil pag kinuha ko yan, 60 na lang yung dalawa. Hindi. Yung mga Filipiniana is 35 talaga. Yun ang hindi ko maibaba because the texture of that fabric is extremely premium. Okay? But this one is actually still premium. Kaya lang, yung mga $32 ang price. Yun ang 2,460. Okay? So, if you're going to get more $32 na style, you'll get it for 2,460. Okay? I hope I made myself clear. Baka mamaya, I don't have, I'm so sorry if sometimes you don't understand what I'm talking about. Magtagalog ka na lang kaya ate, no? Ako yun. At ang kagandahan nito, meron siyang I love dress with pockets. Okay? O, diba? O, gustong-gusto ko may pocket kalagayan ng cellphone. O, diba? And also, bago tayo mag-umpisa, this one yung sinuot ko nung sa church, okay? They love this one because this is actually, parang it was designed, inspired by F. Alam mo yon? Yung F, yung ating brand, hindi na po ako magbabanggit ng brand. Actually, pinasya ko ng wag po pero hindi ko alam kung bakit. Mukhang naghihigpit pa lalo ngayon. So, kung magmamind po kayo, ano lang nila, abbreviate nyo lang po. Kahit po yung mga comments, inaano nila, masyado pong mahigpit ngayon sila. Ang dami naman pwedeng higpitan sa FB, itong mga maliliit na business ang kanilang I don't know. I'm not so sure why it happened. Ate, can I see the other one? Marami akong design. Tony, ito. Unahin ko muna ito. This one is the same style with what I'm wearing. Ruru, do you want to say hi to Tita Tony? Ha? Andito ka, anak, anak ko, ayokong matapakan. Sandali. Halika dito, anak. You say hi to Tita Tony and Tita Donna. Tita Donna is there now. Come on, you say hi, baby. Come on, baby. You say hi. Hi po. Hi po. Ayan na. Alright. Ayan na. Ayaw. Okay, titignan ni Tita Tony to. Tony, this is also one of my favorites. Ang kagandahan ng mga damit na suot po natin ngayon, they have pads. Okay? You don't padded na po siya. So, you don't need to wear brasier. Okay? All you need to do, masarap o wala po. But wala kang masusuot. So, ito po, padded siya. Napakaganda. BB inspired naman po ito. Okay? Itong suot ko is GG inspired. Alright? Hi daw, sabi ng Tita Tony. Okay, so this one is so pretty. Alright? Ayan. Naalala nyo, sinuot ko rin to once nung nag-live ako. Pwede niyong lagyan ng pang-ilalim. It's up to you. You can actually do hello for, you can definitely do, what you call it, you can, hindi ko na i-ano yata to sa page. I'm not so sure if GFM US can see us. Sana naman, no? I think, okay. Can you see me right? Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ako pupunta sa GFM US page kasi sinare ko lang ito from my personal live. So ito yung this one. I'm going to give and look at that all throughout ito kaya maganda ang kanyang fitting. So tingnan nyo naman, napakaliit niya ako. So extra small ka, kasyang-kasya sa iyo. Pero mga katulad ko na XL ang size, large to XL kasi ang size ko. So, ayan, kasyang-kasya. And, sandali, sandali to. Nilagyan ko lang ito ng code para hindi tayo mahirapan, no. Sandali lang ako sa dresses, ha, but I'm so happy na maibigay ko itong mga dresses sa inyo kasi ang tagal nyo ring nag-intay. May mga parating ulit, okay? So, ayan po. Ayan, di ba? If you want this one, 087. 0, mali pala ako, nabaliktad ko. 087, okay? If you want this. If you want just one, $32. But if you're getting 2 styles of the $32 dresses, you get it 2 for $60, okay? Napakamura lang po and you get a very good quality. Now, if you want to get this other one, okay, napakasarap po ng tela nila. Okay? At saka yun ang gusto ko, bagsak. Alam mo yun, yung flowy na ganyan. So, ayan siya. It also has this kind. Okay? Kaya, maganda po ang kanyang fitting. Alright? So, if anyone wants this, I'm going to give you the code for this. Okay? 164 for this. 164. Super gorgeous. So, ang haba nito is I'm 4'11". Tingnan nyo naman po. Parang long dress na talaga sa akin. 4'11". Long dress na sa akin. Okay? So, yan. And then, I'll give you the code for what I'm wearing. The code for this design. Okay? I really love this kasi pwede kong isuot sa party, especially now. It's fall and Christmas, Thanksgiving. It has an ambience, ano? It has a fall and Christmas, diba? Ang dating. So, if you want this one, mine is 090 for this dress. Mine 090 for this dress. Hello, 5090. Okay? So, I'll put it here. Donna, nandiyan ka na ba? Donna, yung mga kinuha mong damit, tsako bagay sa'yo kasi the model is parang kasing height mo. Naku, ang ganda pag pag ako nagsuot, hindi maganda. Tingnan nyo. Pag sinuot nyo ito, tsako, ang ganda-ganda nyo lalo, okay? So, kumuha na kayo. By the way, kaya ako sinusuot si Bumblebee. Si B ba ito? Okay, may parating po tayong B. Naku, ang tagal pong nawala niyan. Ang ating mga H is actually available pa, alright? So, ayan, sinuot ko na rin si RC, okay? Si RC, ayan si RC, yung niya, red version ni RC, okay? Iba-iba ang sinuot ko na brand. Ito naman si H, okay? And this one is the VC. Okay, hindi na ako magsasalita, ha? Ito si VC. Okay? Ito ay pamilya ni mga Clover, okay? Pamilya niya ito. All right? So, I think yeah. And I also wear this one. This is the gold bracelet for the RC, okay? RC. And this is the H. I will have more of H bangles coming in the future. So, abang-abang lang po tayo, ha? Yung mga nawalan, pasensya na kayo. Kasi po, mahirap po talaga mag-source ngayon. Especially ngayon po, naghihigpit po ang maraming agency dito sa atin, okay? So, dahil yata sa lighting, kaya medyo, ay, naku, nalaglag ko na naman siya. Sandali po, ha? So, ladies, before I continue flexing, I just wanted to let you know na kaya po ako na late ngayon. Ang dami pong mga messages na dumating sa akin. And I really wanted to really make sure na masagot ko sila bago ako mag-live. Marami pong nag-mine. Hold on lang po, ha? Oh my goodness! Look at Ruru's nail. Pinakita ko pa sa inyo. Alam mo, nakakaawa ako sa nail nila. Nagtataka ako, sabi ko kay Papa, ang mga nail ng mga babies natin, kahit hindi mo gupitan, nag-aano sila, para bang natatanggal. I don't know why. Kaya itatago ko ito para maipakita ko ito kay Papa. Kasi, how much is the red H necklace you're wearing? I think this one, sandali lang, Tony, ha? Hindi ko lang alam kung available ito ngayon, pero meron ako dito Handali. Okay. Nilabas ko na pero hindi ko na matandaan. Okay, so here you go. Actually, may ganito ako, Tony, $15 lang yata ito. Sandali lang, ha? Let me grab my muna before I say so. Kasi I don't want to commit any mistakes because ito yung mga dumating na bago. Yeah, there you go. But, in this batch, Tony, ayan yun, yung mga malalaking H ngayon, di ba? At ito this H is coded. Okay, mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya, oh. Ito yung mga dumating na bago. These are $15 yata. Sandali po, ha. But unfortunately, I don't have the red right now. I don't have the red right now kasi ang available sa kanya are these colors. This one was, I bought this one with pair of yung, remember before, this is a stainless steel, but it's not coded. But I now have a new one that just arrived, coded and stamped. Okay? So, wala akong red. I only have white. I only have a black. Alright? And I have gorgeous green. Oh my goodness. If may damit kayong, bili kayo ng ganito. This is the new color. This is not PVD. Ito ang technique po ha. If my jewelries are coded and stamped, ibig sabihin makikita niyo yung brand nila. It's not waterproof. Okay? If I want the red, I'm sorry. I don't have the red anymore. We'll just wait for that because there might be some red. I have other reds, but it's smaller. Okay? Baka gusto ni Donna smaller. I have smaller. Okay? But I don't have it. Marami nang gustong mag-ano nito, mag-mine, pero hindi ko ipapamine ha kasi ilang beses na po ako nawalan. At saka, ilang beses nang nawala yung red ko. So this one is mine po. Ba, okay mag-alala, bigyan ko kayo ng, pag dumating yung mga H-reds natin. So, don't worry, okay? Next. Alright, I think we're good na. Okay, I think we're good. So, I think we, kapag wala na pong kailangan sa mga damit, I can definitely go. I have also other designs. Naiano ko na ito, na-promote ko na sa page natin. Okay, they are super gorgeous. But, you know, this one is super gorgeous. This is my personal favorite, okay? Yes, I will, Tony, I will. I will let you know. Tsaka i-promote ko pagdating, okay? So, this one, hindi na ako nakapag-share. I don't know. Kayo na lang po bahalang mag-share. This one is my personal favorite. Nung sinuot ko to, ang ganda-ganda niya. Oh my goodness. This is my personal favorite. Sandali po, ha? Okay, I only have few hours. Ilan na lang, 1 hour na lang yata ako pwede mag-live, ano? Okay, so this one is my personal favorite. Tingnan nyo po siya. Para siyang, it's actually Z-inspired. Okay? This one is Z-inspired. Z-inspired. Grabe. Okay? Grabe ito. Z-inspired siya. Napakaganda. Alright? So, this one is my personal favorite kasi nga nasuot ko na ang ganda po niya. Okay? So, this is one of the best dresses that I can recommend. Okay? Ang mga pinili ko po, personal ko talaga itong pinili. Actually, ang hirap po mamili kasi puro magaganda. But, I just, you know, choose yung talagang magandang-maganda na alam ko, magugustuhan nyo rin. Okay? So, for this one, I can definitely, so pili lang kayo ng mga gusto ninyo, and then I can get back to you, okay? I get back to you, and then I'll let you know how much would that be. So if you get 2 dresses, it's not a wraparound. It's not wraparound. It looks like it. It looks like it, and it has a slit. Okay, ang ganda, oh, it has a slit, and it's not a wraparound. It just looks like it, and it has a 2 pockets. Okay, so it's actually just an ordinary dress, and it's not wraparound. What's good thing with the dresses is actually hindi ka na mag-iisip for the hips, for the waistline, for this, because actually it fits actually a lot of sizes, women's sizes. So kaya magtataka kayo, how does an extra small even fit to an XL? Yes, it's possible. Ang galing po ng mga nagtahi nito. This was actually, tinahi po ito. Alright? Tinahi siya talaga. in order to fit yung Asian size, okay? Ang ganda, alright? So this is the one. So if anyone wants this, this is the code that you're gonna say, alright? This one is, it's not silk, Tony. It's actually softer than that. It's thicker than the silk, okay? I would say it's like a premium polyester, pero hindi siya polyester eh. Bagsak siya eh. Ang ganda niya. I don't know. I did not study fabric. So, ang sasabihin ko lang is, medyo manipis, hindi naman manipis, pero hindi siya cotton, okay? So, this is, I think, I would say, blend of polyester or silk or whatever fabric that one is. It's really good. You know me, I don't buy not good fabrics, okay? Kasi yun, gusto ko munang makita bago ko ibenta, okay? So, yeah, that's it. Dito na, yun na lang po tayo, ha? Pero magpupunta ako sa iba. But, I might, ang gaganda po ng mga dresses namin. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful po that I got this kind of dress kasi po, magaganda sila. Hindi sila katulad ng mga una ko pong naibenta dati. Marami po akong naibenta dati, maganda na sila, but this one is definitely, I think I would say, my favorite, okay? My favorite. They are pretty, Tony. You know, pag dumating sa inyo ni Donna yung kinuha nyo kahapon, let me know, okay? This one is like the fabric of the one that I also hold. Gusto kong i-mine ito, kaya lang hintayin ko na lang kayo, baka may magkagusto sa inyo. This one is super gorgeous. Also, grabe, ang ganda po. Okay, padded siya. Okay, tsaka meron po ditong wash direction. Okay, so if you machine wash, huwag niyong i-bleach. Low lang ang iron. Huwag niyong i-dry clean. Bisaya, mangyod. Tumble dry low. And this is actually from Vietnam. This was actually made in Vietnam by a very well-known company that actually produces premium dresses. Okay, so this one is actually gorgeous din po. Okay. Ganda nito. This is one of my favorite. Okay, I wanted to wear this one, but isa lang kasi ang available. So hindi ko na nakuha. It's actually very gorgeous. This is a V, you know, the Versace. Okay, the V inspired naman ito. Okay, so sandali po ha. Okay, so if anyone, these are the $32. Okay, my Filipiniana is on, yung Filipiniana lang ang 35. And other, I think may parating po na mga 35s. May mga parating na 35s, okay? Ito mga 32 po ito, okay? So if anyone wants this, just continue to screenshot, okay? And then let me know. Napakaganda for parties, for Sunday church, you know, worship services, parties, and special occasion. Hindi kayo mapapahiya because ang ganda niya. For only $32, come on. I was selling $65 worth of clothes before, and you know, hindi pa ako ganun ka maganda sila, pero sabi ko, ba't ang mahal, di ba? This one, I got it a high quality at a very low good price. What can I ask for, right? You can have everything, all right? You can have everything. So I'm just saying that this is really gorgeous. So if any wants this one, na-claim na ni Tony. Tony, isa na lang ito. Okay, but anyway, Tony, this one is yours. Okay, I want you to be isuot mo ito, ha? Kasi ganito rin ang design yan. Kaya lang ito medyo maano siya. Ay, pareho lang din, okay? So, Tony, this is 32, but let me know if you want to take take two for $60, okay? But meanwhile, I'll put it as $32, okay? This one is yours. So, thank you, Tony. Okay. Ang sarap magdamit, medyo na kasi malakas na konti si ate. Tsaka na, kita nyo, hindi na ako masyadong hinihingal. Konti na lang. Salamat po sa Panginoon, okay? So anyway, sandali. We'll put this one here. 131. This one is code 131 Tony. 131 for $32. Tony. So Tony, if you're getting the other, ano, o, diba? If you're getting more, $28 na lang ang susunod mo. Okay, so, ito. So, Tony, can we have a screenshot of your dress? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Thank you. Next. Meron pa po tayong marami. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yung iba po, paisa-isa na lang. Hold on, naririnig niyo po ba ako? Am I clear? Baka po yung aking audio hindi na naman na-adjust. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, let me know if I'm clear or not po, ha? Itong bubbles tiff, napakaganda nito. Nako, mukhang i-mind ko na lang ito kasi wala pa akong bubbles. Naubusan ako ng bubbles po. Ang ganda nito. You know, you can layer the bubbles with all of your necklaces. Ako, minsan tatlo-tatlo. May choker, may middle, at saka ito yung medyo inano kayo. Salamat sa SSD, Tony. Next na tayo, ha? Okay, next tayo. Next item. Ay, ito. If you are going to... This is my personal favorite. Yes, loud and clear. Salamat, Tony. Binili ko to para sa akin. Pero papakita ko na rin sa inyo kasi kung may gusto sa inyo, madali lang naman ako makapaghanap sa kanya. Ang ganda nito. Oh my goodness. I told you, I'm actually buying more of the fall and Christmas get up. Okay, so ito ang isa ko. Super ganda. Oh my goodness, I promoted this in the page. Ang ganda ito nung lagyan ng bolero or scarf or plain wala. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, how you actually wear it. I know that you're all fashionistas. You know exactly how to wear this kind of dress. But one thing I'm really, really thankful about this quality is hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo sa quality niya. Ang ganda-ganda. It's padded din. So, na-promote ko na ito sa page. Nakita nyo? Sinuot ng babae. Okay, so this one, it also has this, lagi siyang may yung mga dresses nila. May pocket, okay? May pocket siya. This one is super gorgeous. Alright? This one is super gorgeous. Kasyang-kasya din ito kay Paris. Small to XL. Kasya sa akin. Okay? Sexy siya. Ang ganda. You know, if you have parties, lalo na pag winter, ganito kasi yun, akala mo pag winter, lamig-lamig. Malamig sa labas, pero sa loob mainit. So, this kind of dresses ang maganda pang mga formal attire or mga parties ninyo. You can definitely wear something silhouette inside or a topper perhaps if you want or a bolero. It's up to you. You can wear even a scarf, okay? Para matakpan lang yung likod nyo or yung mga ibang part, okay? So, I only have one. This is for my personal. Pero, pwede ko po siyang i-flex ngayon at pwede niyong bilhin, pwede niyong i-grab sa akin, okay? So, if anyone wants this, I'm going to give, because I wanted to wear this one sa Christmas. Ang ganda po kasi. Hindi pala sa Christmas. Ito is parang pang New Year ko, okay? Meron na kagad New Year. Kung papayagan ako ng Panginoon na ma-celebrate ko ang New Year with my family, okay? But I'm so happy, okay? For this, it's 050. It's still $32. So, if anyone wants this one, it's $32 only. Look at that. Look at the quality po, ha? Hindi ko lang alam kung makikita sa video. Yung paghawak ko, ang ganda-ganda po niya. I mean, you can tell how premium the fabric is. Pati yung pagtahi nila sa loob, tiningnan ko lahat po yan. wala akong makikitang nisnis, okay? Masyado akong sa mga nisnis. Ayoko yung ganyan, pag ibig sabihin low quality yun. Okay, low quality na damit. Okay, so ito napakaganda. So if anyone wants this, ladies, this is 050 for grab, okay? The back is like this. Alright, so if you're going to wear it, it will be an X siya. Ganyan. Diba? X siya, ang sexy niya. Alright? I like this kind, okay? May X siyang ganyan. Actually, baka hindi na ako makakuha nito kasi nung tinawagan ko sa supplier at manghihingi ulit ako ng ganito, sabi niya sold out na. Sabi niya, she will check kung magkakaroon pa daw sila. But anyway, ito na lang po ang last po. I don't have any. Kaya kung meron pong may magusto pa nito, wala na po ako may bibigay. This is the last piece na po, ha? This is the last piece. Okay? Thank you. Next tayo. Screenshot nyo lang po para at least, kung may gusto pong sa inyo, mag-review ng ating mga dresses, you can definitely review. Papakita ko na lahat po yung mga meron ako dito. Kukunti lang po, okay? So, hold on ha? Bago ako umupo. Okay, the next one. Sandali lang po ha. I'm going to just take some hangers. Alright. This one is also the gorgeous one that I actually got because for fall, okay? For Thanksgiving. O, diba? Naku, nakakainis. Nainis ako. Kasi ito lang po ang mga natira na, okay? Nung magbigay sa akin yung aking supplier, nakalimutan. Masama kasi ang pakiramdam ko po. Nasa hospital yata ako. Pinapa-pre-order na niya ako. Ganun siya po. Bago dumating, gusto niyang makakuha ako, hindi ako nakakuha. So, yung mga tira-tira na lang ang nakuha sa akin. Pero sabi niya, ito yung mga bestseller. Binigyan pa rin niya ako. Ang bait po niya. Binigyan pa rin niya ako. So, this one is my other favorite. Okay? Ayan siya. Kaya pag suot ko to, parang gown sa akin. I love wearing long dresses. So, this one is okay. It's an okay for me. Alright? So, this one is super gorgeous. Black and orangey something, it's really good for fall and Thanksgiving. This one is actually selling for only $32. This can fit, again, from small. Okay, from small to extra small, kahit extra small nga. Extra small up to XL. Okay? So, this is it. If anyone wants. Ang ganda po. Pleated naman ito. Nakaganyan siya. Pleated siya. Alright. And then this one is also with this garterized. Oo, bagay sa kanila. At saka sa mami niya. Ewan ko na wala pa yata si mami niya. Pag nakita niya to, tsaka bibili niya. They're not here yet. But, I'm so sure, kapag nakita nila ito, they are going to mind this one. Okay? So, ito na lang po ang natitira. Okay? Yung mga ibang designs ko po, na nai-promote ko, may mga bumili po kasi, kahit hindi ko po na-show pa, may mga bumili. Anyway, alright. Okay, next po tayo. Ipapakita ko na lahat po ha, yung mga premium dresses na available, okay? So, ito po yung mga available ko na premium dresses. Grabe. This one is also my personal favorite. Kaya lang ito, may pagkamaikli siya. Okay? May pagkamaikli siya, pero personal favorite ko siya. Kasi nag-glow yung mukha ko. Nakikita ko. Pag sabi ko, ay nagmukha akong parang bata. Ayan. So, sa height ko ito, nasa tuhod ko siya. Okay? Kaya kung merong bibili nito, baka nasa nasa ano na, above the nina ninyo. But this one can fit. This will not be fitting for, I would say, small or extra. Hindi. This is from medium. Kasi medyo malaki po ang kanyang ano. Okay, medium siya. Tsaka yung dito niya medyo maluwag. Hindi katulad nung ganito na design na isuot ko. Nandito o nakaano dito sa aking neck. This one kasi parang nandito na. So this one is from medium to XL. Okay, ang ganda nito. This blue one. Okay, isa rin ito sa mga $32 natin. Okay? And what I love about this, it's like a Filipiniana design. May mga ganyan siya. May flowery siyang ganyan. O, diba? O, ayan. Okay, this one is also with pocket. Alright? So I'd like to really wear this one to really make it brings up the youthfulness of you. So ang code po nito, lagyan ko na ng code para i-screenshot nyo na lang, alright? I-screenshot nyo and then let me know kung nagbago ang isip ninyo or you wanted this one and tapos na ang live. So you can definitely screenshot, okay? I-screenshot the code. Make sure to screenshot the correct code. Okay? Ayan. O, diba? 183. Next ano dress? Etong suot ko walang may gusto. Bagay sa inyo ito. Okay? This one is really gorgeous. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, next tayo. Another gorgeous item. I love this. This is the same thing that I actually shown you, yung black and red. And this is the other one. It's black and white. I really love the way they actually put this together. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Mukhang hinihingal na si ako, ah. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? Oh my goodness gracious. Kapag suot mo ang black and white, maganda siya sa mga parties, okay? So this one is also like the red that I've shown you. Saan na ba yung red na yon? Saan ko ba nilagay? Ayun na, nakasampay na. Okay, so if anyone wants this one, ganda, 153. Okay, 153 for this. Ito naman, ibang likod niya. Hindi siya X, okay? Hindi siya X, ganyan lang siya. Okay, the other one is X, pag ganon. Pag X na dito, X pa rin dito. But this one, this design, is not, okay? So this can fit small to XL, okay? And it has padded din ito. Ayan, padded po yan, ha? Okay. So this one, ladies, is only for $32. So if you want this one, mine, 153. Ganda niya. Show you po. Diba? I like this one. Okay, so hindi ako pwede makapagsuot po, ha? At medyo nahihirapan po si seller. But anyway, makikita nyo naman sa sa ating mga mannequins, okay? Sinuot ko rin yung, tingnan mo yung kay mannequin, maganda tingnan, sa akin hindi. Kasi malaki ako, siya maliit siya. Malaki ako. Malaki yung aking mga middle extremities at saka sa upper. But look at the mannequin, di ba? Extra small siya. Okay, ito sa akin is XL. Alright, it's the same thing, you know. This can be worn by extra small up to XL, okay? Tony, alam mo, ang problema ko, mukhang hindi lahat ng GFM US nakakuha ng natin. Because, you know, I use my, my personal account. I'm not so sure how that go, But anyway, eto, this one is also fall. Ito yung gusto ko itong mga ito, yung mga XX. Because pwede kong lagyan ng bolero or as is siya. Ang ganda niya. Tony, isa na lang ang natitira nito. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng kapartner nung mo. Ang ganda nito. Okay? Ang ganda nito. Look at that. Look at the color. The color really matches yung ang ganda niya, di ba? Okay, so ayan siya, mahaba din siya. Pareho sila ng style ha. Nag-iiba lang sa fabric, okay? Sa fabric. Tsaka syempre sa fabric at tsaka sa color. Kasi nga po, syempre iba-iba naman ang gusto nating kulay na damit, ano? So for this one, time check, ano na ba ako? Malapit na, 30 minutes na lang pala ako. So, pwede ako mag 1 hour, pwede ako hanggang 4:30. 4:30, okay? So, I'm not so sure. Baka hanggang 4 lang ako. Okay? Ay, salamat. Salamat, Tony, ha? Eto, this one is selling for the same price, 018. Ang ganda. I like the design. Okay? Napakaganda nito. I love this one, okay? It's one of my, dami kong favorites, okay? So, lahat yan, okay? Lahat yan ay super ganda. Ayan. Super ganda. Oh my goodness, ladies. If you're looking for something na pang ano ninyo, it's okay. You still have another live. Oh, I still have another live. Mga 5 to 7. Okay? Next naman. Eto, tinago ko na pero ilalabas ko rin. Ito yung sa akin. Okay? But if anyone wants, again, if anyone wants to say, hi, can I mind this one? I can give this to you. Alright? Wala na yata akong hanger. Naubos na. Okay? So, anyway, I still have 2 hangers here. So, if anyone wants this, this is my personal favorite. One of my personal favorite. Because this is a combination of 2 colors that I really love, especially for fall and Christmas. Look at that. Diba? And it has zipper here. Alright. Ayan din, no? You don't have to worry with the waistline. And then this is longer, a little bit longer. And then the style is actually like a mermaid. Okay? And then it has non-working pocket here. It's non-working. It's just a design. But it has 2 pockets, all right? You can definitely use the pocket. Here you go. Ayan o. Ladies, this is also for $32. This is super. Nung sinuot ko, ang bagay sa akin. I really wanted to mind this one. Pero pinigilan ko yung sarili ko. baka kasi instead na ibenta ko, lahat na ng mga ibebenta ko sa akin na lahat. Okay. Ladies, so kunin nyo na ito bago ko makuha. Okay? Ayan, sandali lang po. I'll give you a code for this. Ang bango pa. Alam nyo, ito masasabihin ko sa inyo. Ang pagkakakilanlanan sa premium quality fabric, mabango ang tela. Hindi mo pa nilalaban, super bango na. Parang bagong laba. Yan ang kakakilanlanan mo kapag siya ay super ano. Okay, so this one is $169. I only have 1 left. Okay, 1 lang ito. This is my personal choice. Should be mine, but you can definitely grab this one if you want. Mine, $169. Okay, mine, $169 for this. Okay. Ganda. Alright, I love the zipper. It has a zipper here. So I can definitely wear long necklaces and put it there. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. So this one is a really good piece. Alright, next na tayo. I think I'm gonna give you, I still have, marami pa pala dito, pero baka sa next live ko na ito may pakita. Okay, baka sa next live ko na magpakita. Alright. Or not today, baka next week po. So I'm going to let them know about those pieces then. O, di ba? Ang ganda din ito. Okay? Ang ganda din ito. This is like the green that I actually shown you. Alright. Dito na tayo magtatapos po. Alright. So, if anyone is interested, check our live. You can definitely watch the replay. This one is so pretty. It makes you younger. Okay? Ang ganda nito. I only have one. Kaya, lahat po dito, isa-isa lang. Okay? So, if you want this, alright, the code for this is 178. 178 for this. 178. Alright? Ayan. Ito naman, naka-X din pala ito. Okay, so, yeah. I love this. Okay, let's go. Upo na ako for the jewelries, ha? So, if anyone wants something, like, if you want some scarves, I only have few scarves. May mga parating, but it will take time. Okay. I have those. Alright. So, let's go here. Papa, I think Ruru lost 2 nails. Kawawa naman ang baby natin. I think he lost 2 nails. Kawawa naman. Oo, i-check lang natin mamaya yung mga hands niya. Kawawa naman. Okay. All right. I think we're ready to be seated. Kumusta na kayo? How are you? Mukha si Tony lang kausap ko, but I have 7 viewers. Si Tony lang ang kausap ko. Hold on po, ha? Maybe hindi ako. Okay, hold on lang. All right. Yeah. Tony, ikaw lang nakikita ko. Ikaw lang nakikita ko. But anyway, so let's start and actually see what we have here. And that's unusual. Oh, that's unusual na nahulog ang nails niya. Yeah, kaya nga, sabi ko kapag i-check namin kasi bakit nahulog dalawa? Nag-aalala tuloy ako. Because Ruru is, you know, si Ruru is a neighbor's cat. We cannot, you know, but we've already, please say present. Oh, please say present now. Anyway, sige, dito tayo. Let's go. And I will take you to the jewelries. Okay? Now, if you need any scarves, please let me know, okay? Kasi malamig na ngayon. And I'm going to have a clearance of, not clearance. I'm going to have a sale of all my fall items. Mga next week po. Abangan niya yan. Yung mga jackets, yung mga sets na pwede nyo isuot sa fall.